Yeah. Life got me with hard feelings. My ambitions and my dreams will never turn to smoke and mirrors while I'm blowing smoke and mirrors. With time, my path been getting clearer. Tattooed, believe in protection on myself, so I always remember. In the city where these niggas souls cold as December. Don't slip cause the ops and the cops will get you. They ride around with Glocks, you get shot, now your mom's miss you. You better keep a burner with yours cause they might get you. Or get a pistol, and cops been pulling up my niggas just because. It's a wonder why I ain't in this motherfucker cutting up. It's a wonder why I don't run with 50 guns and 50 drums. That's 50 clips for 50 sticks, 100 shots from every one. And one and done was the motive. But fucking with these hoes got the bro losing focus. The ex didn't know that the bro was the chosen, not a bro. New bitch treat the dick like it's golden. But I think she found some treasure for real. A young nigga with a passion stature that matches Shaquille. A young nigga that'll make it happen no matter the deal. A young nigga that'll keep it spinning when he ain't no wheels. Yeah. We ain't got no wheels, nigga. Snapping. Already shout to my nigga Jizzle. Tag man.